Did you know that AI in the logistics and supply chain market was worth a massive $20.1 billion in 2024? And here's the kicker: the delivery industry is expected to grow at a staggering 25.9% CAGR between 2025 and 2034. If you run a delivery business, whether it's 5 vans or 500, AI is no longer a nice-to-have. It's becoming your biggest competitive edge. In this video, we're breaking down exactly how AI is transforming the delivery industry, from route optimization and demand forecasting to smart warehousing and predictive maintenance. At Quickworks, we've helped over 200+ logistics and delivery companies implement custom AI-powered solutions, from dynamic pricing engines to real-time delivery tracking systems, boosting efficiency by up to 40%. So, how exactly is AI changing the game? Well, in this video, we'll get to know how. Route optimization. Instead of static maps, AI analyzes traffic, weather, and even delivery urgency to build the most efficient routes in real time. That means faster deliveries, lower fuel costs, and drivers spending less time stuck in traffic. Demand prediction. AI also shines in demand prediction. It can forecast spikes in orders based on trends, seasonality, or even local events. Plan staffing, inventory, and vehicles ahead. No more last-minute chaos. Dynamic pricing. Dynamic pricing models use AI to adjust delivery fees based on demand, distance, and urgency. You're not just reacting to the market, you're staying ahead of it. Predictive maintenance. With AI, your fleet can now predict breakdowns before they happen. Sensors flag issues early, reducing downtime and repair costs. Smart warehousing. AI is also optimizing warehouses, organizing layouts, managing inventory, and even guiding robots for faster order picking. Customer experience. Last but not least, AI chatbots and live tracking systems give customers real-time updates and instant answers without clogging your phone lines. With partners like Quickworks, you can build custom AI-powered delivery apps that incorporate features such as real-time tracking, smart dispatching, dynamic pricing, and predictive analytics, all tailored to your business needs. That's it for now. Subscribe for more delivery tech tips. Book a free consultation. Click the link in the description.